this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today's video is all about some quick and easy crochet Easter type projects or little amigurumis and things that I have found on the internet. Some I found last year and then some this year. But I'd like to start off showing off my coffee cup that I have. Isn't it just adorable? It's just so cute. Anyway, I am drinking just plain old black coffee. It's so good. Okay, let's go ahead and let me show you this little clip where I'm going to show you some, hopefully they'll be quick and easy for you, last minute type crochet little things to throw in the kiddos' little baskets, and maybe some things you may want to decorate around your home with them, especially the little mug rugs that I make. So yeah, let's go ahead and let that roll. So this is some of the things that I have made for Easter, and I thought I'd like to share these so that you guys can go and grab the patterns for yourself. I do have some of my doll clothes patterns on here, and they are on sale at 50% off for Easter and of my doll clothes. The other patterns that I have on here, I believe that they are free patterns. One is from Ravelry, and the others are from like String-a-Ding-Ding and Craft Passion and things like that. So, but I will leave links below for everything. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So this is one of the little outfits for the 18-inch dolls. And that one happens to come like with a basket and a little carrot. And then here we have the cute little chick in an egg. There's our peep. I love the peep. And this here is cute little bunny. I will show you the picture of it for a boy. And then here's another peep made with Chanel. And then there's the egg, there's a carrot, and there's a cute little chick. And this is a couple of the 14-inch doll outfits right here for Easter. And there's their little basket with the carrot in it. And then these are some cute little Easter mug rugs. You can also, that same pattern has a mug rug, and it has like just a coaster and a placemat. So that pattern it has 3 different sizes to it that you can use: a coaster, a mug rug, and a placemat. So there you are. So yeah, I will leave links below to all of these cool patterns right here for you guys. And I will show you a picture of the little boy that they have. So far all I've gotten done was the girl, but I will be making the boy as well. As you can tell, what I've done different here are I made the ears longer. So what I did is to make them longer, I went up to 20 rows. That's all I did, 20 rows. So I hope this helps you, gives you nice, quick, last minute, Easter basket, home decor ideas. It's just a little small sampling. But once you make them and you set them in the little Easter basket like this, they are so cute. They're just adorable. And if you have any granddaughters or daughters or nieces or anybody that has a 18-inch doll or a 14-inch doll, you may want to make these little outfits with the little basket and stuff. And I believe these do come with hats. I do not have I have the 14-inch hat right there. And the 18-inch is just like it. So, but yeah, so they come with hat. And they do come with shoes, that pattern does. But yeah, there's, there you go. You can put the little carrot in the little basket right there. And I just have this filled with, candies and a cup and some peeps back there, just different stuff like that. And there's some little chocolates. I just went to the dollar store and we got some of these, just those little things for $1, and then all these other little things right here. I used scrap yarns and crocheted and just, put them together. Okay, guys, I hope that has inspired you guys. There is so much out there, and this is just a few that I have come across that I really enjoy. So, yeah, Hope that's helped. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Hope in God. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Romans 15:13. I hope it doesn't rain today. I hope I did well on that final. I hope He didn't forget our anniversary. I hope I get a promotion. Few things that we hope for contain the kind of satisfaction that lasts. Even if we get what we hope for, what comes next? We have to hope for something else. And while it's not bad to hope for these things, the truth is that any of them are disappointing if not met, and all of them only carry temporary satisfaction. The one thing we can hope for that has lasting value is our eternity with the Lord, and that's actually exciting. Thinking of life without fear, pain, guilt, sorrow, sickness, loss, rejection, or death, think about an abundance of love, joy, peace, kindness, and beauty. When we choose to put our hope in God, we will not be disappointed. Our expectations will be exceeded. How often does that happen? God, I see how hope in earthly things is only temporary. I put my hope instead in the eternal reward of living forever with you. That is so much more exciting. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and that's really all that I have for this video. I just wanted to bring that to your attention, and hopefully you can get right on that and get those things, put together real fast. Just grab some of your scrap yarns and some, stuffing and put this stuff together. Anyway, that's all that I have for you guys. Tomorrow is Whip Caddy Wednesday, so be sure and look for that. Be sure and start posting in your whip carts and letting us know what you guys have going, so that you can inspire all of us and keep us, excited about what we do. So, oh yeah, and don't forget to get up and do a little bit of walk-in and that little bit of activity in between your crochet. And so, it's good for you. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.